Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to change Konami ID email in Efootball 2024. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to go to your browser, then type Konami login. After entering the Konami web page, all you have to do is to log in with your account. And now after logging in, go to personal information, then go down and go to your email address, then click on it and click on submit. And they will send you a verification code made of 6 digits. All you have to do is to go to your Gmail inbox and you will find that they have sent you a number right here. All you have to do is to copy it, then paste it here, then click on next. And now you can type the new email. So I'm gonna type this one for example, then click on next. And they will also send you a verification code. And all you have to do is to go to your Gmail inbox, then search for the message that they have sent you and copy the number, then paste it right here, then click on next. Congratulations, now you have changed your email address to a new one. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.